Motley Garagers. We're out here at Heritage Park, and we're trying to just do a little bit of crawl. Zacks driving the Defender. Let me see you get up on that hill. I don't have that much time on this phone. You on the river rocks. Get it, Defender. Get it. Nice driving, Zach. Nice driving. Scale.
Daddy, you're doing good.
Nice. You going down?
Daddy, you're going down.
How do you like driving micro crawlers? You like it?
Go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Nice. Nice.
You got it,
Oh, he's
Dad,
got a
you
little
got
drop
it.
right here. Here I go. Oh! Yep. Get a little bit of gas. Now go passenger. Go driver. Driver, there you go. Good job.
Look at this, bro.
Y'all made a path over here too?
Look at the descent.
Daddy.
Get it, Adrian, with your high lift. Nice. All right, let's see that comp truck.
Turn, like, when you're coming down, turn this way if you, like,
Yep.
hit your bumper.
Passenger.
Dada.
Flip me over.
Oh, you got your front bumper stuck.
Because I got my front bumper.
There you go.
And I just
Creep around that dirt mound. Tire going in the hole. Good job. That was an excellent crawl. And the new challenge is to crawl over these concrete
Dad, get it.
side rocks without getting your chassis stuck. You got to go at an angle.
Jazzy. Daddy's my sister.
Oh. Yup, you high center. You might be able to take that hole right there. You want to take a point? All right, try it again. Take this hole.
I was
Yeah.
aiming that way when I first.
Oh, there's like a gap. There's a gap that's open. Yeah.
See, the key is, I'm not going to say the key until you get over it. Let's see if you figure it out. Oh, not jump it.
Dang it.
Here, let's try it again. Let's try it. All right, so, yup, driver. No. You keep straightening out. Come in like, you want the truck to walk over it like, you want to be like that. Now come up, because you got to watch your pumpkin. Ah!
I'm the only one over here.
There you go. He got over it. You want to try it, little man? Let me see you get over it. Oh. Then we'll give you a little bit of a hop. Yup. Good job. All right, bag up. You got to push it forward to bag up. You got to push the stick forward, yup. Give it a little bag up. Here, bag it up again. That way you'll learn, huh?
I want to go like more straight over there.
We will. Xavier had to go get his phone, and he had to go get the tool wrench so we could fix Adrian's truck. Oh, he climbed over that faster than you. He beat you, Dad. He beat you, man. He beat you.
Grass, bro.
I know.
They
All right, well,
They did that thing
they just
where
got done crawling.
off the grass.
Me and Xavier are about to start our trucks up. Zach's going down through the trails to show us the trails. We're waiting on Xavier to get his phone
Where am I?
because he wanted to take TikTok pictures of his truck. So check out, what's your TikTok, buddy? Mimi Mad Gamer, I believe, is his TikTok. Is it Mimi Mad Gamer? Or is it just Mimi?
You have to like say the entire thing. It's corny.
It's not corny. No, ever think of anything about your own title as corny. He's reverse steering right now because for some reason I've replaced batteries in his. You gotta turn your controller on first. His TRX 4M rebound, or the controller didn't bind. So I've been trying to bind it with this TQ radio, and it's different than the TQI radio. Alright, so I'm going to take the Bronco. We've been taking the GoPro out. We got a little bit of footage with the GoPro too, so let's go ahead. We should put our trucks in trail mode, man. And we're just going to...
You're good. Yeah, you're good, Doc.
Adrian over here. What you crawling up? Come on, let's catch up, man. Your truck faster than ours right now because you're still in trail mode or sport mode. Like, you're still out of the box. I never put his truck in trail mode.
I never put mine in trail mode either.
Yeah. The new rims that Xavier got are beautiful.
They are so pretty.
I know. They're awesome. I know one thing. It was hard to get my kids out of the house today, but this is well worth it.
Definitely.
Well worth it, man. Well worth it. Zacks up there with his kids. He's got the Defender. I think next week I'm going to buy 2 more Defenders. That way next time we come out, they'll have 2 trucks. And then, you know,